नाम्ने गौरतिसे हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते तप्तकाञ्चन राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी कृपानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। तो सर्वप्रथम मेरे गुरुपाद पद्म नित्य लीला प्रविष्टु विष्णुपाद वास्तुतर सदस्य श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत शिलवान गोस्वामी महाराज एंड नित्य लीला प्रविष्टु विष्णुपाद वास्तुतर श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत शिलवान गोस्वामी महाराज के भाई चरण कब्र में अनंतपति शास्त्रीय धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करते हैं। तत्पश्चात नित्य लीला मेरा यथायथा धन्यवाद श्री श्री भजन रहस्य सप्तम जाम साधन विरह की कथा हम श्रवण कर रहे हैं, जिसमें श्री राधा जी कृष्ण की नव वृंदावन नरक में मिलन तथा ब्रजभाव की अभिलाषा व्यक्त करते हैं। ललित माधव नाटक से श्री भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर इस श्लोक जो है उद्धृत किया
ललित माधव ग्रंथ
श्री रूप गोस्वामी का चिराद आशा मत्तयी विरचनंत स्थिराधिऊ विदुर्जैवासं मधुर्यं गम्भीरे मधुपुरे तथानुकिशोरे वैशति त्वां गोकुलपते प्रपुद्मावती श्री कृष्ण चिरकाल से आपके आने
So we were hearing about the Bhajan Rasa 7th chapter and the shlok number 18, where so Shri Radha said, "O Shri Krishna, for a long time persons with fixed intelligence have sustained their lives with the hope that you will one day return. You resides in Mathurapuri, Madhupuri, which is filled with profound sweetness. So, O Master of Gokul, the adolescents Sakhas are patiently gazing on your return path. Therefore, you must give us your darshan without fail."
तुम्हारो कोई लीला हृदय श्रवण कोइला से सवारी कृपा नयन गोचर हइया लीला कर तथा दिया मात्र निवेदन करी। विरोहिणी राधा की मधुर स्मृतियुक्त वृंदावन में
So suffering pangs of separation from Shri Krishna, Radha desires to bring him back to Vrindavan, which is filled up with sweet memory in Lalit Madhav Granth. Lalit Madhav. Shri Radha said, near the highly praised Mathura is that land of Vrindavan, profuse with forests that emit the sublime fragrance of the mellows of your pastimes, and which splendidly shines with sweetness and beauty.
से मुग्ध अंतःकरण कयों के द्वारा मुखर विहार करे। मथुरा मंडल माझे माधुर मंदिर गंगा जी धन्य धन्य वृंदावन तव नित्य लीला परिमल प्रकाशिला अचिंत सखीते कृष्ण तुम गोपी भावी मुग्ध जत तुम्हार श्रृंगार रत आमा आदि प्रणये निश्चय आमा सबे लय पुनः क्रीड़ा कर अनुक्षण वंशीवादे ब्रजेंद्र सनय।
So Srila Gurudev is explaining here. In this Lalit Madhav, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad gives the following narration. In one kalp, Shri Radha was so unable to tolerate the affliction of separation from Shri Krishna after he had left for Mathura that she jumped into the Yamuna. Yamuna, the daughter of Suryadev, then took Shri Radha to her father. So according to the Kalpaved, in one kalp, what happened? Radhaji, in the separation of Krishna, she was so much crying. So at that Viraha, Srimati Radhika, with her Sakhis, she came to the Yamuna. And when she came to Yamuna, what she did? She jumped into the Yamuna. And the daughter of Suryadev, Yamuna, and she kept Radhaji to her father, Suryadev. So Suryadev instructed her to his friend and devotee Satyajit, who was childless, and told him, the Satyajit, who used to worship of Suryadev, because he doesn't have any kinds of daughter. So what Suryadev did? Okay, Satyajit. So Suryadev has given the Radhaji to Satyajit, because Yamuna ji gave to Suryadev and Suryadev gave to Satyajit. Satyabhama. So that's why her name became Satyabhama. Because she became the famous in the name of Satyajit's daughter, Satyabhama. So consider her to be your daughter. Later, upon being instructed by Narad, King Satyajit sent Satyabhama to Shri Krishna's inner quarters in Dwarka. The wife of Surya, Sanja, was the daughter of Vishwakarma. Through her father, Sangya had previously created the captivating Navavrindavan for Satyabhama, Shri Radha, in Dwarka, Rukmani. Suryadev has two wives, one is Sangya and Chaya. One is Sangya and second is Chaya.
देखो इसके पूर्व सूर्य पुत्री कन्या ने
So what happened? What Sangya did?
अपने पिता विश्वकर्मा के द्वारा
Why her father Vishwakarma?
मनोत्सव वृंदावन की रचना
So she made a Vrindavan, which is called Nav Vrindavan.
दो ग्रंथों में आप
So you will find the Nav Vrindavan Katha in two granths. One is Lalit Madhav Granth
और दूसरी जो है
and second in the Vrad Bhagavata Mritam Granth. Sanatana Goswami Pad, he described there.
नव वृंदावन की कथा वर्णन करें। अच्छा, वृंदावन के उस असाधारण रूपा लावण्यवती सत्यभामा को श्री कृष्ण ने पाटरानी रुक्मिणी
So Rukmani, Shri Krishna's principal queen, kept the extraordinary charming and beautifulness of Satyabhama hidden in Navr Vrindavan, so that Shri Krishna would not see her.
तो देखो, जब वो होता है ना, क्या बोले,
Jal
सतीन होता है ना, सतीन माने
Sotin step, I don't know what to say.
वो वाइफ।
Co-wife.
वो सत्यभामा इतने सुंदर थी,
Satyabhama was so much beautiful. That's why
वो छिपा कर करती
Rukmani has hidden herself because she was thinking that maybe Krishna cannot see her.
श्री कृष्ण की पाटरानी
That's why.
छिपा करके रखती थी, जिससे कृष्ण उसे देख न पाए।
So that's why the wife of the Patrani of Krishna, Rukmani, she always hidden Satyabhama because she was so much beautiful.
वास्तव में राधा जी है एवं
So in due course, however, Satyabhama did meet with Krishna, and the secret that Satyabhama is actually Radha and Rukmani is actually Chandravali was revealed. So in Nav Vrindavan,
पूजा करती थी, विभंग ललित
so Satyabhama, na?
सत्यभामा पूजा करती थी।
Satyabhama used to worship of Shri Krishna in a hidden way with Nav Vrinda. So I told you a story earlier many times.
उसी प्रकार पूर्व
So in this way,
बता रहे हैं।
so they are telling in a very short way.
फिर सत्यभामा के साथ कृष्ण के साथ मिलन हुआ।
So Satyabhama met with Krishna, and Krishna said, please ask the benediction. So Satyabhama said that if you want to give me any benediction, so please tell me one thing, that if I am Radha,
यहाँ पर चंद्रावली का
that where is the Chandravali here? Then Krishna said, Chandravali is here. She is in the form of Rukmani.
तो वहाँ जसोदा कहाँ
So she said, where is my mother Yashoda?
है? समस्त सारे
So she asked all the questions, and Krishna explained very nicely.
और हमारी सखियाँ कहाँ हैं?
So where is my friends, Sakhis?
सब एक एक करके
So one by one, she asked many questions, and Krishna explained everything.
तत्पश्चात रुक्मिणी देवी विद्रोह से सत्यभामा का श्री कृष्ण की विवाह हुआ।
So thereafter, Rukmani arranged for Satyabhama's marriage to Shri Krishna. At the time of wedding, Yashodarani, Purnamashi, Mukhar, and other Brajvasi were presented in Dwarika. One day in this Navrindavan, Krishna said to Radha,
से कहा,
"O dearest, what more can I do make to you happy?"
मैं क्या कार्य करूं?
Shri Radha replied.
विवाह के पश्चात एक दिन उसी नववृंदावन में श्री कृष्ण ने राधा जी से कहा,
So after marriage,
मैं आपको सुख के लिए
Krishna said to Shri Radha, "Hey
क्या कार्य
Priyatam, hey dearest, what should I do for you to make you happy?" Then Radha said, "Praneshwar, all the Sakhis of Vraj, my cousin sister Chandravali, mother Vajeshwari, and everyone else came here, and I met with them. Nonetheless, my earnest request to you is to please leave this abode of opulence, Dwarka, and in your form as a fresh, youthful, expert dancer, wearing the attire of a cowherd boy, enjoy with me in the Kunjas of Vrajdham, the renowned land of eternal pastimes." So there is a big stories, but it's still in the short.
यही प्रार्थना करते हैं।
So Radharani is playing, which is called
कुरुक्षेत्र मिलन
Kurukshetra Milan. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, Sukdev Goswami Padan is telling to Parikshit Maharaj the Kurukshetra Milan. Actually, this is the Leela.
श्री कृष्ण दर्शन के समय
At the time of Sri Krishna Darshan,
दर्शन तथा श्री गोपियों का पलक बनाने वाली ब्रह्मा जी की भी इस प्रकार एक गोपियों की उस दशा कुरुक्षेत्र मिलन की वर्णन श्रीमद् भागवत में वर्णन है। दशम स्कंद 82 अध्याय में 40 नंबर श्लोक गप्पश्च कृष्णमबलापचिरादभीष्टम्
39 number shlok है 39
श्लोक नंबर
20 39 नहीं मतलब श्रीमद् भागवतम में 39 So this shlok is in Srimad Bhagavatam 10.8239. Yat prekshakam vrish pakshmakritam saptami
alam parirabha sarvam tadbhavam uparupi nittam yudam durapam।
So Mahabhav state is explaining here in the shloka. So this is the text number 20 and of Vajan Rasa and the Srimad Bhagavatam 10.82.39. Srila Sukdev Goswami, who was experiencing the mood of the gopis when they saw Shri Krishna at Kurukshetra, said, "The Braj Sundaris is who cursed the creature for making eyelids that obstructed their darshan of Shri Krishna. Now saw Shri Krishna again after a very long time. They look him from the path of their eyes into their hearts and tightly embraced him there. They attain that rare absorption that cannot be attained either by the yogis or by Rukmani and the other queens of Dwarika who are always with him." So this shlok is very important. Gopascha Krishnam upalabhya chirad avishtam.
कृष्ण के दर्शन करके कैसे भाव अनुभव होगा।
So seeing the darshan of the gopis, this kinds of feeling is expressing.
चिरदीन आसत चिरदीन कृष्ण आसे छिल गोपी ब्रजावसे कुरुक्षेत्रे प्राणनाथ पाइया अनिमेष नेत्रधारी अनि कृष्णे यदि आलिंगिल मुग्ध হইয়া आशा से আমি অভাব অন্য জেনে অসম্ভব সক্রিয়া কাঙ্ক্ষা সুদূর্লভ কপিবিনা এই প্রেম যেন বিশুদ্ধি রহিম।
Text number 20.
लक्ष्मी गणे चिर असंभव लक्ष्मी आदि
Lakshmi and other
जो नारायण के
devis in the background
पत्नियां जो
who are the wives of Narayan.
उनके लिए भी ये तो असंभव ही
So this is rare for them.
है। और दूसरी बात क्या है,
And the second thing is here, Rukmani.
रुक्मिणी आदि के लिए भी ये संभव है।
This is not possible in the Dwarika to Rukmani and other Mahishni. After taking a darshan of Govind
उनके हृदय में जिस्मत
in the heart of gopis,
अपराधी का भाव उद्दीपन है।
so there is a transcendental feelings arise up in the heart of gopis, so which is called
ये गोपस्य कृष्ण मुकुल चिराभीष्टम। ये समस्त गोपियां वृंदावन से जो आई,
These all gopiyas came from Vrindavan to Kurukshetra,
कृष्ण के दर्शन
and
करके
when they saw the darshan of Krishna so far,
हृदय में जो भावना
so whatever the feelings arising in their hearts,
वो सब वर्णन हो रहा है।
so these all are describing here.
चिराभीष्टम जब प्रेक्षणे दिशुदि पक्षकृतं सपन्ति, है पक्षकृतं सपन्ति। देखो वो समस्त गोपियां,
All the gopis,
आंखों की जो पलक बनाने वाली,
so the person who have made the eyelid of the eyes,
ब्रह्मा जी को सृष्टिकर्ता को क्या करें,
so they are abusing,
सपन्ति माने
gali de rahe. So they are cursing to the Brahma who has created the eyelids of the eye, because
ये समस्त पलक जो है,
these all are eyelids,
कृष्ण दर्शन के क्या हो गया,
बाधा डाल रही हैं. So they are troubling and making obstacles for taking the darshan of Krishna constantly.
दर्शन में हृदय में इतने जो आनंद जो
So after
होता है,
taking a darshan of the Govinds, whatever the pleasure they are getting in their hearts,
आनंद की बाधा डालने वाली,
so eyelid is becoming troubling so much of taking the darshan of Krishna. So they are troubling in the pleasures of the gopi. So that's why they are giving the curse to the Brahma who has created this eyelid. So what all the gopis is saying, after getting darshan of Krishna, so through the eyes they are entering into their hearts. After taking the darshan of their Krishna, Govind, so through the eyes they are entering Govind into their heart. And they embraced them, Krishna, Rukmani. So which is very rare to the yogis and the Dwarka's Mahishni like Rukmani and others. So big yogis, what they used to do by their yoga, by their meditation, they try to take the darshan of Govind. So they take the darshan in their inner heart core. But whatever the darshan Gopi took of Krishna, with the feelings, which is not possible for the yogis, and Rukmani and other Mahishinias who are staying in the Dwarika, also it is not possible for them also. So there is so much pleasure in Govinda Darshan. So much pleasure in Govinda Darshan. And what they are doing after taking the darshan of Govind? Through their eyes. They are keeping Govind in their heart. So there is a kirtan in Bangla. So after taking the darshan of Govind, where will we keep him? In the heart, and never will leave him. Just like Bilwa Mangal Thakur is saying, Vasati Hriday Karagare. You always stays in my heart prison of heart. Braje Prasidhi Navanita Choram. So Bilwa Mangal Thakur is saying this shloka. I will never leave you. When you will enter into the my prison of heart, then I will never give you way to come out from there. Always stay in the prison of my heart. Cheer. What is so our heart had the dark Karagar, the dark prison.
अंध कारागार में हम बंदी रहो।
I will keep you in my heart prison.
इसी कारण से अंध कारागार। तो कृष्ण कहने लगे कब हमें मुक्ति कब
So Krishna said that when will you give me the liberation from that prison?
कोटि कल्प
So here it is saying after koti kalp, but still I won't leave you. I will not leave you from this prison.
बोले वो कारागार क्या है? मेरा हृदय रूपी
So which is that Karagar? Which is that prison? It's my heart.
कारागृहे सदा हृदय मति मधुभक्ति पास बंधन। और क्या है?
Or what is that?
आपकी क्या करेंगे? बंद करके रखेंगे।
And not only I will keep you in the heart, I will lock you.
मधुभक्ति मेरा भक्ति रूपी पास समझते हो?
Pass me tala.
जिसके द्वारा बंद करके रखा जाए।
Such a tight.
रस्सी के द्वारा।
So I will tie you by my bhakti, by the rope of my bhakti.
भक्ति रूपी
Rassi ke dwara.
रस्सी के द्वारा
So I will tie you in my presence of heart by the rope of bhakti. How beautiful bhav is that?
ये गोपियां क्या कर रही हैं?
So what the gopis are saying?
गोविंद की जो है आंखों के द्वारा दर्शन करके
So after taking the darshan of the gopis, through their eyes they are keeping Krishna into their heart, which is very rare to yogis.
कुछ समय तक रखते
How yogi keep the Krishna in their heart? Only for a little
हैं।
time.
योगी किसको रखते हैं? योगी जो ध्यान आदि करते हैं वो कृष्ण को ध्यान करते हैं।
Paramatma.
परमात्मा
So yogis always meditate on Paramatma,
जो अंगुष्ठी प्रमाण कहा जाता
which is called Angushti Pramana.
है। ये परमात्मा की परिधि बात परमात्मा कैसे है?
How is Paramatma?
ये अंगूठी के भांति है।
Just like a thumb, he is staying in our heart as a form of Paramatma.
दर्शन करके
So they always take the darshan and so much get pleasure after taking that darshan, after taking the darshan of Paramatma.
किंतु देखो यहाँ पर करें
But here it is saying
ये समस्त गोपियां जो है
all the gopis, they took the darshan of Govind
और कहाँ रख दिया?
and they are keeping in their heart through their eyes.
जो गोविंद दर्शन जो आनंद है रुक्मिणी आदि पाठनियों की ही संभव नहीं।
So it is not possible to the Rukmanis and other Patranis in Dwarka.
लक्ष्मी के लिए भी तो संभव नहीं।
Which is very rare to Lakshmi also. Which is not possible to the Dwarkas, Mahishnis like Rukmani and others. So what to speak about Lakshmi in Vaikunt?
चिरदीन कृष्णाथे खिल गोपी ब्रजपासे कुरुक्षेत्रे प्राणनाथे पाया
Animesha nitya dware, ani Krishna prema dhare, hridaye lingane mukta haya, amya bhave, anya jane asambhave, swakiya kantya subhlava,
गोपी
gopi
बिना ई प्रेम
preme.
जनो जनो विशोधित हेम
Lakshmi gane shira sam.
सूर्य ग्रहण के समय
At the time of Surya Kiran, lunar eclipse,
के दर्शन की
solar eclipse,
उत्पन्न होकर
all the Brajvasis arrived at Kurukshetra, eager to see and meet with Krishna.
विलंब के पश्चात
When the Brajvasis Ramnis saw Krishna after being separated from him for so long, they became radiant with bliss, and their hearts and eyes did not move.
ये तो कृष्ण दर्शन है। कृष्ण दर्शन करके यदि हमारा शरीर निश्चल नहीं हुआ
If after taking a darshan,
समय पे माने स्थिर नहीं हुआ
स्थिर तो नहीं,
स्थिर हो जाता रेस्टलेस ये नहीं होता
no movement, huh? After taking the darshan of Krishna, if our bodies not become stunned, where there is no movement.
गोविंद दर्शन जो ही तो पाल
So this is the fruit of the Govind darshan, that your body becomes stunned, that you cannot move here and there. All the limbs of your body, here,
यहाँ पर उतारे
what, legs, hands, arms, always stunts.
चित्त एवं नेत्र जड़वत हो गए जिन ब्रजगोपियों
So those Braj gopis had been unable to tolerate even a moment separation caused by the blinking of their eyes, and had the thus cursed the creator of eyelids.
देखो गोपियों की गोविंद दर्शन की इतने आनंद अनुभूति होता है।
So after taking the darshan of the Govind, gopis feel so much pleasure. So what that time, blinking their eyes,
गोविंद दर्शन में जो विरह होता है,
so that the separation of Govind darshan, the blinking their eyes, that moment.
और पालक रचयिता
So just that's why gopis is cursing to the creator of the eyelids. Hey Brahma, tu mar she. Hey Brahma, you died. Tu mar ja.
है, अरे ब्रह्मा
Tu mar ja.
अगर ये ब्रह्मा
Hey Brahma, you died.
दूसरे की ब्रह्मा बनेगी,
So another Brahma will become.
वो क्या करेंगे?
Then what they will do? They will make.
हजारों नेत्र
So they will give so much eyes, thousand eyes in the body, and they won't give the eyelids in the eyes.
देखो वही देखो क्या विरह प्राप्ति के बाद श्री कृष्ण के दर्शन जिस आनंद से प्राप्त होती है उनका कौन वर्णन करता है?
So who can describe their ecstasy when they again saw Shri Krishna after burning a raging fire agitated by his absence? Hey Brahma, tu mar ja.
वो उसके वर्णन करना संभव
So which is really hard to describe. That's why there are 4 kinds of viraha and 4 kinds of separation meeting. Sanchipta, Sankirna, Sampanna, Samriddhavan. These are 4 kinds of milan.
है। और दूसरी प्रकार
And in the same way, Purvarag, Man,
है, किंचित प्रवास और
Pravas, Sudur Pravas, Kinchit Pravas and Sur Pravas. These are 4 kinds of viraha, separation. In the transcendental love, there is no Sudur Pravas.
उच्चारण करने के लिए गए
When Krishna went to cow herding,
सहन करना बहुत कठिन है।
so this is really hard to tolerate to the gopis.
रावण से मथुरा चले गए,
So Krishna went from Vrindavan to Mathura. This is not possible to tolerate them. It is they cannot tolerate this.
ये प्रकट लीला और अप्रकट लीला की एक विशेष,
So this is the specially in the Prakat Leela and Aprakat Leela.
क्योंकि
Because
नहीं समझो
you can understand only this thing.
प्रकट लीला में जो है
In the Aprakat Leela, in the Golok Vrindavan,
पर गतागति नहीं है।
there is no movement. There is no movement like coming and going. Gata Gati. Vrindavan Krishna always stays in Vrindavan.
और द्वारकाधीश
And Dwarkadish Krishna and Mathuradish Krishna in Mathura. They always stays in their places.
प्रकट लीला में जो दिखा रहे हैं
So in the Prakat Leela, what they are showing, this is a speciality only.
वो भी नहीं है, वो भी गए नहीं।
In the Prakat Leela, also they didn't move from Vrindavan to Mathura. There are many kinds of prakoshta there.
सही बात
Srila Ji Goswami Pad is described there.
देखो
Look, just like Krishna, Mathura, when Krishna didn't go to Mathura from Vrindavan, in the same way Vrishvanunandani Shrimandi Radhika, she always stayed in. She never left Vrindavan.
उनकी कहानी है। ये उनके दो प्रकाश जो है, एक संयोगी
और एक वियोगिनी और एक वृषभानुनंदिनी.
संयोगिनी जो राधा
So Sanyoni Radha, she went to Kurukshetra,
और वियोगिनी
and Viyogi Radha, she stayed in Uddhav Kyari.
सभानंदिनी श्रीमती राधिका
Vishwanandini Rani, she never left from Vrindavan. So she was staying in the Vrindavan in the invisible form.
मिले मिलन
She was staying in the Vrindavan with the Krishna in invisible form.
होश में ये समस्त दिखा क्योंकि विरह उसी प्रकार उनकी जितने भी है सब अलग अलग के प्रकोष्ठ भी बनाए गए
So there are different kinds of prakosht.
हैं। उसमें वो समझता है
So they always stays there.
इन लोगों के लिए कृष्ण
Because for them,
विरह
for the so long separation for Krishna is intolerable for them. They cannot tolerate that.
इसलिए योग मैंने भी ये समझ
That's why Yogmaya has created everything, arranged everything. So even Ji Goswami Pad has described, just like Krishna, when he went from Vrindavan to Mathura on the chariot of Akrut,
और भी देखो
at that time many sakhas also went from Vrindavan to Mathura. Nand Maharaj also went.
ये भी वर्णन है।
This is also described by Jeev Goswami Pad. But actually,
नंद महाराज नहीं गए,
Nand Maharaj never went.
उनके प्रकाश गए,
Their prakash, their reflection, their friends never went, their reflection went. Like so, all the Brajvasis didn't go there, their reflection went there.
ब्रजवासी जो है जैसे कृष्ण वृंदावन छोड़कर नहीं जाते,
Just like Krishna never went from from Vrindavan, in the same way, all the Brajvasis, they never went from Vrindavan to Mathura.
प्रकट कराने के
So just Yogamaya arranged everything for arranging the pastimes of Krishna.
लिए संग नंद महाराज गए,
In one prakosh, Nand Maharaj is staying, and in another prakosh they are arranging that Nand Maharaj went from there.
ये समझ तो बहुत सूक्ष्माति
So this is very deep philosophy. Jeev Goswami Pad described that. In which granth? कौन से ग्रंथ में?
विभिन्न ग्रंथों में
अच्छा, in there many kinds of granths.
गाँव में ये सब लिखा है।
In their tikas he has showed these things. Jeev Goswami Pad.
जहाँ पर हम लोग वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं,
So here we were describing
विवाह आदि के जैसे कहा जाते हैं, पूर्वराग के बाद जो मिलन होता है,
after Purvag, the milan which happens, which that is called Sanchipt Milan.
मान के जो मिलन होता है,
After Man, the meeting is happening, which is called Sankirna Milan.
और किंचित प्रवास के जब बाद
And
जो
after
मिलन होता है,
Kinchit
उसे
Pravas,
संपन्न
which is called
मिलन कहा जाता है।
Sampanna Milan.
और सुदूर प्रवास
And after Sudur Pravas, they meet with that is
के बाद
called
जो मिलन होता है, इसे कहा जाता है समृद्धमान।
Samriddhaman Milan. Are you getting?
इस समस्त दिखा गया,
So this is all short.
तो जिस कथा हम श्रवण करते जा रहे हैं,
So Katha we were hearing.
ये महाभावती भगवान कृष्ण की प्रेममय सेवा में जो आनंद लाभ करती है, अर्थात कहाँ पर
Kurukshetra.
द्वारका में, कुरुक्षेत्र में जो अपनी
When they met in Kurukshetra.
जो आनंद लाभ, उसके वर्णन शब्दों के द्वारा संभव नहीं है। गोपियां के शरीर अनुराग से निर्मित है,
Gopi's body is filled up with anurag,
और
prem.
कृष्ण के संबंध में प्रगाढ़ उसी अनुराग के कारण होती है। अनुराग संबंध युक्त राधिनी सत्य की वृत्ति ही स्वयं संविद्ध है। ये जो कुछ कथा है जो कहते जा रहे हैं,
So whatever the katha, here it is saying that what is the feeling, what is the pleasure in meeting.
स्वसंविद्ध दशा।
Javat ashray vritti and swasaveda dasha.
अनुराग की ऐसी स्थितियां हो
So
जाती
there is a stage of anurag
जहाँ पर आकर के
where
अनुभूति जो है,
they went there and the feelings of there which is not described by the words.
जगत में साधारण वस्तु भी हम भी व्यक्त नहीं कर
In this world we cannot describe the ordinary things of this. When we eat the gulab jamun, rasgulla,
रसगुल्ला क्या चीज,
the rasgulla is so much sweet.
कैसे मीठा था,
How sweet was that?
तो जो है स्वीटनेस की जो है,
So the sweetness of that rasgulla, how you can describe? You cannot describe that.
जब आप खाओगे
Whenever you eat it, then you will come to know.
स्वसंविद्ध, स्व माने अपना,
Sasamvedya means self-realization.
अनुभूति जो
The self-realization which is called. Which is not cannot be described by the words.
नहीं होता है,
So whatever the adjectives in this word, we have seen the qualities we have, we cannot describe by the words. Just like that there is a red flower. So what is red? Red is color.
तो आपको पता है।
So you cannot describe that. What is that? When you see, then you can only realize.
इस जगत में भी जितने भी वस्तु
So there are many things in this world which is not describable.
है, उसकी हम व्याख्या नहीं कर
So we cannot explain that.
सकते। इस जगत में
And in transcendental world,
जैसे हम
how we can describe all these things,
इसे कहते हैं स्वसंविद्ध दशा।
which is called sasamriddhi dasha.
अनुराग की प्रगाढ़ता को शास्त्रों के द्वारा
So
ही
anurag is a function of the
निर्धारण होता है।
swamavedya, which is meant. नहीं,
गोपियों की
anurag is a function of the haladini shakti when it is endowed with the samvid.
नारायण की भक्त विलासिनी लक्ष्मी का शिवानंद तथा द्वारका पटरानी के नाना प्रकार की प्रेम विलास।
So according to the intensity of anurag, prem is determined as perfect, purna, more perfect Purnatar or the most perfect Purnatam. Compared to the Purnatma Anurag of the Gopis, the bliss of the service performed by Lakshmi. So the Mahishya who are staying in the Dwarika, what Sukdev Goswami Pad said? You know? In the Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto. Suta Goswami Pad is describing that shloka. When Suta Goswami Pad, before the Shaunakadi rishis, and they were describing the Krishna Katha, everybody was so much eagerness. So they were so much eager to listen about the gopis. Because so those who are so much eager, to eat sweets, so they only think that whatever the dishes we have, so it is, we don't want that, we want that sweets. For that they are so much eager. So that's why what is the rituals in the Vraj? They always used to serve the sweets first. This is the habit of the Vrajvasi. They always used to eat so much sweets, and they are so much eager to eat sweets. There is puri, sabji came. They don't wait. They always want for sweet rice. They always wait for sweet rice. This is the nature of the Vrajvasis. So because these kinds of people have so much kinds of eagerness, because they are Vrajvasi, so this quality came from Vrajvasi. Because Vrajvasi has these kinds of qualities, spontaneous. So the person who are staying in the Vraj, so they have the eagerness spontaneous. So this is the speciality of the Vrajvasis. They are so much eager of sweets. This is not ordinary things. They are so much eager to take nice sweets. And which is the topmost sweets? Krishna is the topmost sweets for them. So that's why Vrajvasi do that Ras Kirtan. Baki Bihari ki dekh chutta. So they used to Kirtan make Rasgulla, Rasgulla, Sandesh, like this kind of things. They do the Kirtan. Have you heard the Kirtan of Braj? Very, very sweet Kirtans of Braj. No. अब हमारे को सौभाग्य मिला आने का ब्रज में. Rasgulla, yes. So Sonakadi Rishis was so much eager. Gopis Katha. So Sonakadi Rishis would like to hear the Braj Gopis Katha from the Suta Goswami Pad. So Suta Goswami Pad said, before hearing the Harikatha of Gopis, so the Mahishyan who was staying the Dwarika, so please listen about that, listen about those, then you will understand further. So from always start from downside, downs to upside. So we have to make a progress from down to up. Arohabad, Avrohanbad, ascending and descending. So first you have to go from the downside to upside, and then downside upside to downside. So Tulsidas used to say that Tulsidas is saying in the Ramcharitmanas that the person who would like to catch the drops of the rain, and he would like to catch them and uplift. No, it is not possible for them. Is it possible? Not possible for them. So that's why there is Arobad and Avrobad. Means ascending, descending. Ascending order and descending order. Ascending. Ascending, no? From down to up, ascending order. So Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada is given an example. There is a fruit in the tree, and if you want ride on the tree and you would like to catch the fruit, break the fruit, there is a proverb in English. Sour. Angur khatte hain? Grapes are sour. Once CR there was a fox, so it was smelling so much nice thing of the fruits. So catching that grapes, she was jumping too much, but she didn't catch that. So what she said, oh, these grapes are very sour, because she didn't get that, because she was unable to catch that. That's why she said, oh, these grapes are so sour. So that's the people who used to say that Brahma is Nirakar, Bhagwan is Nirakar. So when Bhaktivinoda Thakur met with Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar, he was written in his autobiography, when he met with the Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. So Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar wrote in his one book that Bhagwan is Nirakar. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur asked him, have you met with Bhagwan? How you can write this, he is Bhagwan Nirakar? How you can say that Bhagwan is Nirakar? So Vidyasagar, he was unable to reply. Vidyasagar was unable to learn. Bhagwan became from Sakar to Nirakar, not Nirakar to Sakar. Bhagwan is Sakar. Ishvara Param Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha. Bhagwan has a beautiful form. Because they cannot get the Swarup Uplabdhi, that's why they said Bhagwan is Nirakar. Just like the fox who was unable to catch the grapes, then she was saying that these grapes are sour. So there is a bale of grapes, branches of blacks. Have you seen? उसकी तो देखिए क्या नाम है वो, अंगूर की नहीं देखी. You can see everything in the foreign countries maybe. There is a bale. When the grapes ripe, then it's very sweet. So the person who doesn't get that, so they used to say, oh, these are sour. So how you can say that this is sour? Just like there's a sweet is a ras, it means khatta. This sour is also a ras. Is it true or not? In the same way, there is a monkey. You can see. Take the darshan of the monkeys now. ये डिस्टर्ब करेंगे अभी. हाँ यही तो खेलें वो अलग बात है, लेकिन ये. So he asked from Ishwar Chand, Bhaktivinoda Thakur asked from Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar, so whatever you have written in this book that Ishwar is Nirakar, so how you can write this? How you can say that? How dare you? Have you met with Bhagwan ever? Never. When you didn't meet with him, so how you can write that Ishwar is Nirakar? In all the scriptures, Bhagwan has a beautiful form. It is mentioned there. He has a transcendental form. If you say that it is mentioned in the scripture that he is Nirakar, so where it is mentioned? So it is mentioned in the scripture somewhere that Bhagwan is Nirakar. So it means he doesn't have a material body. He doesn't have the body like us. This is aprakrit, the transcendental body here. This is why it is somewhere it is said Nirakar. Sachidanand body he has. Satchidanand, which is full of Sach, Chit and Anand.
इसलिए शास्त्र में
That's why wherever in the scriptures it is mentioned, the word is used Nirakar,
और फिर उसी शास्त्र में
and in the same scriptures he is described by the in the Sakar form. Bhagwan has a beautiful form.
प्राधान्य ही
Jai Ho.
वेदांत सूत्र
So it is the Vedanta Sutra.
और रूपवत
Arupavat.
जिनके रूप किसी रूप के साथ आप
So you cannot compare their form in any other form. That is why it is Arupavat.
और रूपवत
Arupavat means this is undescribable. You cannot compare with that form in any other form.
तुलना कब होता है
When there comparison come, where there are two things.
कंपेयर तब होता है जो
When you can compare the things.
एक ही वस्तु है
When there is one thing, so how you can compare Bhagwan?
और रूपवत
So that's why it is saying Arupavat Tat Pradhanyata Evahi. So this is the Sutra of Vedanta. He has a beautiful form.
और इसलिए कहा जाता है क्या
That's why it is said.
उनके बराबर
So no one is equal to him. So what to we speak about that? Who can be higher than him?
अनन्य सिद्धम
Asarmartha Anyam Chittam
अनुसमाव
Anusvabhavo Rupam.
कितने इसमें वर्णन करते
So this is mentioned in the scriptures very nicely. Beautiful shlok is this. Now,
हम इसे आगे कथा को सुना
now we are going to the kathas
हैं
further because the time is going to be up over.
ये आप लोग जो कथा सुनना चाहते हैं
So whatever the katha you would like to hear about the gopis,
क्योंकि हाव भाव आदि भक्त प्रेम
so you would like to hear the how the feelings and the behavior with the gopis. Shud Goswami Pas.
स्वामी पास सोनू कादशी के
He is saying to Sonakasi Rishi. First Rishi the
के बारे में सुनने के पहले किसके बारे में सुनो
Mahishniyon के बारे में,
के बारे में
Dwarika's Mahishis. So first you should hear about the Dwarika's Mahishi before hearing the katha about gopis. Then you will able to understand. Then you will be able to understand.
वह समझता हूँ महिषियों की इतने सुंदर सुंदर जो भाव क्या था है उद्दाम भाव कृष्ण मलबलगु हास विलाप लोकनम निहितो मदनोपि जासम समुच्च चापम जहात प्रमुदत्तमा है बहु श्लोक नहीं है जस्ते विंसम वोकई न सेति है समस्त प्रकार के उद्दाम भाव
All kinds of Uddam Bhav,
मनोहर
Manohar, and by the so many language they cannot attract the Krishna. So all the Mahishiyas who were staying in the Dwarika, so just like there are many kinds of waves comes from the ocean, in the same way, so Mahishis have this kinds of feeling also. Mahishis are not ordinary. Rukmani and Satyabhama and other, all the Dwarikas, Mahishinas, they are not ordinary. We cannot realize they are extraordinary. Their beautifulness, their sweetness, how is that? We cannot describe that. So there, the nails aura is so much, we cannot describe that. Yesterday I told you in this word, Vishwamitra, when he saw the Menaka, he was so much disturbed and he became lusty. So whatever the austerity he did, it goes on vain. And all the Mahishini is sweetness and the Madhurya, not only one. So it is higher than the crore times of the Menka's beautifulness. They are so beautiful. So all the Mahishiyas staying Braj Gopis, all the Mahishiyas who are staying in the Dwarika, so their beautifulness, it's 1,000 and crore times better than the Apsaras of Swarga, and the Braj Gopis beautifulness is 1,000 and crore times, crore and millions times better than the Braj Ramnis, Dwarka Ramnis, Dwarka Mahishnis.
भी अपने करने।
So everybody attracted towards calms. When Shivji,
मोहिनी रूप धारण कर
when Bhagwan got the Mohini form
शिव जी को दर्शन दिया
and he gave the darshan to Shivji, and seeing that Mohini form, Shivji has so much hard austerity and has so much tapoval, and where it has gone nobody knows. He was chasing to Mohini. Where? So in this way here it is saying,
समस्त प्रकार की उद्दाम भाव मनोहर बल्बहास आदि के द्वारा ही कृष्ण के चित्त के वशीभूत करने की वो समस्त जो है द्वारका के रमणीय महिषियां जो है कृष्ण के वशीभूत करने।
although they have exhibited various extraordinary moods, enchantingly beautiful smiles, etc., they cannot bring Krishna's heart under their control. So the Kamdev himself,
जब द्वारका में पहुंचे
disconnect. When they, when Krishna, when Kamdev enter into the Dwarika, so after taking the darshan of the all Dwarika's Mahishi, they got fainted, and their arrows, 5 band, their arrows fall down on the ground. And seeing the darshan of the Braj Dwarika's Mahishiyas, he got fainted. It's from here. So the Braj Dwarika's Mahishini is Saundarya, and their feelings is not less than any other. So the Braj Gopis, however, who are colored with dense anurag as well as with the prem imbued with the Madhya Bhav, just sidelong glance. So just by the romantic sidelong glance, the Braj Gopis, so like this, they have attracted Krishna towards herself. What to describe that? So Srila Sukdev Goswami Pad reference the Gopis' extraordinary prem in this text is a sharp cue mean for the Jnanis who meditate on Brahma. Are Jnani, you are meditating on Brahma for getting pleasure. So you would like to get the Brahmanand, and look at the Madhurima of Prema. There is pleasure in Brahma Darshan, which is called the Brahmanand, but that pleasure is just like a Jugnu. क्या बोलते हैं जुगनू को? Fire. जुगनू क्या बोलते हैं? Firefly. Yes, firefly. So that their pleasure, the yogi's pleasure is just like a firefly. So in fact of his saying, O Jnanis, performing Andos sadhan, fie on you. If you want to make your life successful, then surrender at the lotus feet of these prema-filled gopis. So we used to say, here people used to say 1008 Brahmalin. Are what is this? First you have to understand. So before the Premanand, it is nothing. Brahmanand is nothing before the Premanand. It is just like a ocean and one drop of ocean. So Jnani Log is perform so much hard austerities. We are taking 3 times prasad here. Taking 3 times prasad. All day Bhandara. Every day is Bhandara in the Gaudiya Math. Many kinds of sweets are there. Many kinds of vegetables are there. We used to eat with full of our stomach. And what Jnani Log do? They don't eat anything. How 1,000 years they used to meditate. They became so much thin. Only the bones is covered by the skin only, because they are doing so much hard austerities. They used to stand only one place. That's why they are called Khadeshwar. All around they are putting the fire and standing in midst of the fire. How hard austerities they are doing. हे ज्ञानियों,
तुम्हारे इतने कठोर बजाय की
so what is the use of that? Why on you?
बात वही ब्रह्मानंद प्राप्त करो।
So what is the use of doing so much hard austerities? What is the fruit of that?
उनके लिए कटाक्ष पास कर रहे हैं। ये कठोर साधनकारी ज्ञानियों,
O Jnanis performing adverse sadhan, why on you? If you want to make your life successful, then surrender at the lotus feet of these prema-filled gopis. Take the shelter of gopis. Take the shelter of the gopis.
ज्ञान के द्वारा तुम्हारे कुछ नहीं होगा।
Nothing will be happen by the Gyan, meditate. And if you get something, so it is just a little. Gurudev used to give an example.
एक व्यक्ति कठोर परिश्रम के पहाड़ को खोदने लगा।
One person, he did so much hard austerities and was digging the mountain.
बहुत दिन तक
When he was digging the mountain, so after some time what happened?
क्या मिला?
There is a little rat he got. After digging the mountain, he got a little rat.
पहाड़ के कठोर परिश्रम के
He did so much hard work, and what he got? He just got a little rat, and it was died also.
आप बताओ, ब्रजगोपियों के प्रेम माधुर्य का दर्शन उद्धव जी
So, having witnessed the sweetness, madhurya of the Braj gopis, Prem, Uddhav becomes eagerly desirous to attain it. That's why Uddhav is saying, when Uddhav came into the Braj,
ऐसे प्रेम माधुर्य देख
seeing the Prem madhurya of Braj gopis, he got fainted.
ले वांछन्ति जड़ हो मुनुय वंच
Vanchanti yad bhava bhiyo mayurna vayam cha.
परम अनुभूतो भुवि भो
So this shloka is Srimad Bhagavatam 10.47.58 in the Srimad Bhagavatam.
वांछन्ति जड़ भव भुवि मुनुय वंच किं ब्रह्म जन्म भीरम अनंत कथा रसस्य युद्धव के श्लोक
So this is the shloka of Uddhav.
कितना सुंदर।
How beautiful shloka is this? I Have we got to understand? Uddhav
जैसे महाज्ञानी है
Uddhav is so much jnani, he is so much learned person. He knows all the tattva siddhant of the scriptures.
उद्धव
So this kinds of Uddhav, when he came into the Braj,
है और ब्रजगोपी के इसमें प्रेम देख
and when he saw the prem of the Braj gopis, he was so much attracted towards them.
अस्फुट स्वर से ये बोलना पड़ा।
So that's why he had to speak in his voice.
अस्फुट स्वर से क्या बोला?
Asputaswar means
हैं?
what he said?
महिषी अभी सुदुर्लभम
Mahishi api so durlabha means,
विधान महिषी अभी सुदुर्लभम
which is very very rare to the Mahishyas. So the Mahishyas who are staying in the Dwarika eternally,
ये भाव उनके लिए भी
so
प्राप्त करना संभव
this feelings is not possible for them also.
है। यहाँ पर ये प्रश्न आपको
So there is a question arise here
क्या प्रश्न?
to you.
ये उद्धव जब
When Uddhav, when he came from Mathura to Vrindavan, then Krishna didn't go to Dwarika then.
है और कृष्ण के विवाह कहाँ पर हुए?
When Krishna got married where?
द्वारका में हुए।
In the Dwarika.
इसी कल्पों में लिखा गया
In the Kalp it is said, in the Vaman Puran,
इसी कल्पों में
in any Kalp,
जो है रुक्मिणी के साथ विवाह
Krishna got married with Rukmani in Mathura.
है ऐसे लिखा गया।
It is said, it is written in Vaman Puran. It is mentioned in the Jayadharma also. Bhakti Vinod Thakur is describing that also.
किंतु वास्तव इसी
But
कल्पों में
actually in this Kalp,
उद्धव जब वृंदावन में
when Uddhav came to Vrindavan, at that time Krishna was not get married.
तो कृष्ण के जब विवाह नहीं
When
हुई,
Krishna didn't got
तो
married,
ये शब्द कैसे
how can Uddhav is describe that words? Now there is a question arise here. Yes,
द्वारका में रहने वाली
the Mahishya who was staying in the Dwarika,
ये भाव प्राप्त करना
so that they are not able to get this kinds of feelings. It is not possible for them.
संजोग
So how Uddhav said that?
जो है वो समस्त महिषियाँ
So all the Mahishyas who are staying in the Dwarikas,
ऐसे जो भाव उनके लिए
so this kinds of feeling is really very rare to them. So how he said? How can he said? In this context, our Acharya used to say,
नित्य है
Krishna Leela is Nitya, is eternal,
और उद्धव में नित्य
and Uddhav is also eternal.
है इसलिए वो नित्य लीला की जो है
Darshan kare.
वो स्मरण हो रहे
So that's why he is remembering the Nitya Leela.
माया उद्धव के मुख में ही
And Yog Maya herself exploring all the words from the Uddhav's mouth.
नहीं तो कैसे कहते
What or otherwise how Uddhav can say this?
हैं सामंजस्य करना चाहिए
So we conclude this.
देखो कितना इसलिए ब्रजगोपी के प्रेम माधुर्य का दर्शन को उद्धव जी उस प्रेम के पक्ष के दुष्ट हो जाने के पंचम की धर्म वो
So the Shruti says that it is impossible to describe in the words happening there for the merging the impersonal influence of the Lord Brahmananda. And it is not possible for me, Uddhav is saying. What to speak about Brahma, Dwarka Maheshwaris? And he is also saying Vaincha means it is not possible for me also. Vaincha. It is not possible for us also. From Brahma to Shiv and all our Bhagavad Parikar or all our devotees or in the Mathura Dwarkas, the Parikar, it is not possible for them also. That's why he said Vanch. Vanch means not possible for them. So enchanted by the Prem Madhurya, the queens of the Dwarka, who always accompany of Krishna, pray to attain the fragrance of Shri Krishna's lotus feet, which are colored with the kumkum from the gopis' breasts. So Maheshis are praying. So if we get the fragrance of the kumkum from the gopis' breast, so we will feel ourselves so much fragrance, fortunate. So why the Braj Ramanis wants that? No, sorry, Dwarka Maheshwaris wants that. Why wants that? So the Gopis Prem Madhurya, the Braj Gopis Prem Madhurya, it is not possible for us also. So there is a shlok, is beautiful shlok in the 10th canto. There is a shlok which is Braj Rameshwaras are saying like this. So there is no shlokis, but the meaning is there. How beautiful the meaning is. One unprecedented experience of ecstasy is in separation is called Divyananda. This ocean of prem stirs and rolls those waves that who are lustrous like lotus flower. It is stirs the heart of earthly beings, invades Satyalok, and even rebukes the beauty of the realm of Vaikuntha. This is the Alankarik Bhasha. This is Alankarik Bhasha. So the love of Braj Gopis have just like all the rivers, they merge into the ocean, and when they mix up with the ocean's water, so there are so many kinds of waves coming in the oceans. In the same way, so there is so much beautifulness in the waves of the rivers, but when the rivers mix up in the oceans, and when after mixing up with the oceans, when they give the waves in the ocean water, so it looks so beautiful. So the little bit thing, there are many kinds of rivers, the water is coming, it's submerging into the ocean, and when they are mixing up into the ocean, so there are so many kinds of waves are coming there. So the waves of that river are not so beautiful, it's just little, but when they mix up with the oceans, it looks so beautiful. So it looks so beautiful. The waves of the ocean look so beautiful. So we used to say, we used to always cook egg to the home and cook for the Thakurji. We offer to the Thakurji. We used to take prasad at the home. But when you take prasad at the temple, in the Bhandara, in the festival, so the same thing which is made at the home, and if you have given that to the Thakurji in the temple, so there will be a great taste there. You will realize the taste is little bit far better from your house. So this is a specialty. Say, thing is same, but there is a taste is different. So you are offering the same food to the Thakurji, but when you take the prasad from temple, when you give that carry that offering to the and give to the Thakurji, and after that once you eat that, so their taste is different. Why? So this temple is like a ocean, nadi, and your house is like a river. So when the offering is just like a water, so when this food stuff will offering to the Thakurji here, so when it will mix up with the temple, so it will give the sweet taste. That is the waves of ocean. Wow, very nice. Even review the beauty of the Riyam wings. So these all are the Alankari's words. I don't read too much in here. So there is so much pleasure in hearing this katha. Anand. So the waves of Gopi and Krishna is a form of love, ocean of love. So when the gopis are the rivers, and when they enter into the submerge in the Krishna like ocean, so there is a beautiful. So Krishna is like ocean and gopis is like river, and when they mix up each other, so if somebody would take the darshan of that river, that wave, so it's so beautiful, he will get so much pleasure. In the Srimad Bhagavatam, the 10th canto, so Mahishiyas are praying. How beautiful prayer is that? So Uddhav, Narad and others are astonished to see the prem born of the gopis, Mahabhav. It even stuns the hearts of the Rukmani and Satyabhama. Despite performing many arduous practices, the yogis cannot even establish the effulgence of the nails of Shri Krishna's lotus feet in their hearts. The gopis, however, very easily and directly adorn their breast and with the lotus feet of youthful Krishna, who is the essence of the all beauty and luster, and thus they pacify his fire of lust. Blessed are they, masterful gopis. This shlok is beautiful. Capture the picture. Uddhav is saying, Lakshmi and other devis who are performing an archan in the feet, and gopis are doing archan by their eyes. One Brajramanis are doing Mahishiyas are doing the archan by their hand. Brahma and other, they all are doing archan, but how they are doing archan? Big yogis, and they are doing the archan also by their meditation. Archan means worshipping. And Maharashtra Goshram, in the Rasrupi place, when gopis so much drawn themselves into the love, so there is a transcendental calm came in their hearts for so giving the peace of their body. They take the heart of gopis or Govind on their breast, and then they got so much peace. When you read this shlok, so you will get so much pleasure.
दिया।
This is also said in the one line Gurudev wrote.
चरण कमल की साक्षात उसमें अपने वक्र को धारण कर।
So the gopis, however, very easily and directly adorn their breast with the lotus feet of youthful Krishna, who is the essence of the beauty and luster, and thus they pacify his fire of lust. Blessed are these masterful gopis.
और कृष्ण के शरीर यानी उनके चरण कमल के जो उत्तप्त ताप जो हो गया, उसको ताप दूर करने के लिए गोपियां ने अपने कमल वक्र स्थल पर रख ली। बोलो वृंदावन
Hari Lal ki jai.
तो वर्णन है।
This is all described there. Sanatana Goswami Pad is describing that. I am not saying.
और ये भी है ना महाराज मणि शिक्षा में रतिम गौरी लीले अपि तथापि सौंदर्य किरणे।
चलो गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि बोल.
कितना सुंदर है। लोग जानते हैं, लोग जानते हैं, हम बोलने से ये आप
If you read the shlok, you will be pleasure. Okay? Hare Krishna. Thank you so much.